I got this new starter from Amazon. Thought I'd give it a go for $105. Firstly, disconnect your battery. Then remove the front right wheel. Once the wheel is removed, you need to remove the fender guard. A T15 torque bit is required. Then at the front, a 7mm socket. On the underside front, you'll find the 10mm bolts. Also a plastic insert. Remove these. If you want to purchase this same one, it's linked in the description. Remove the wire's heat shield. Remove the 13mm nut holding the power wire. Then remove the signal cable plug. I found this one was damaged, so had to find a new way to remove it. I found a flathead screwdriver carefully inserted worked. Now time to get under the vehicle. Remove the two 13mm bolts holding the starter in place. It takes a little patience, but you'll find the happy place your starter will slide in. Once you have it in place, secure it with the two new 13mm bolts. Then replace all you took off: the power, signal cable, heat shield. Put the battery wire back on. If you got value from this content, please like and subscribe. And please check out all my other content. Replace your fender guard and wheel.